Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy setting error. First, let's ensure your account's age setting is correct and that no parental controls are inadvertently blocking access. It's crucial to verify these foundational elements before diving into specific privacy adjustments. We'll cover how to quickly check these initial settings to get you back into your favorite experiences without delay. Next, we'll dive into your Roblox account's privacy settings. You'll want to navigate to the Privacy tab within your account settings. Look for the option that controls who can join me in experiences and adjust it. Setting this to friends or everyone often resolves the issue, allowing more flexibility for joining various games. This simple change can make a big difference. Understanding parental controls and your account's registered age is vital. If parental controls are active, they might override your personal privacy settings, restricting access to certain experiences. Also, accounts registered with an age of 13 or older typically have more open default privacy settings. Double-check your birth date to ensure it's accurate, as this significantly impacts available permissions and settings. Finally, after making any changes, it's a good practice to log out of your Roblox account and then log back in. Sometimes, a simple refresh is all that's needed for the new settings to take effect. If the problem persists, try restarting the Roblox application or even your device. Should the issue still not be resolved, contacting Roblox support directly is your best next step for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.